did Danny do? Someone broke into the storage. Okay, we need a plan. Like, what can I do with money? What's up, Zen? Go to the blue thing? No, you didn't. You didn't see shit. That's fucking bullshit. I got a fucking plastic knife. Just waking up. God damn. Well, Merry Christmas to you, sir. Let's steal shit. Pegging? You better have good shit. If not... Danny's been up to some shit. You're looking good, thank you. It's going down. I'm yelling timber. You better move. You better dance. Oh, I already have the fucking soap. Wait, the body... The... there. Hold on. Okay, so I'll steal another file. Hopefully I'll get one here. What do I do with a lighter? I don't know why I'm doing it in drafts. Wait, hold on. You're actually... Damn it. Did I just cut the wrong thing? Okay. What's up, M? How goes it? Did you just beat the fuck out of somebody? What do you mean you've linked it back to me? What? What do you mean you've linked it back to me? That's insane. It was... I can't believe that. Stealing your soap and your chocolate. Yep. I have a baseball bat now. Dude, I will escape. Remember. Merry Christmas, Ab. This is a very easy one, okay? Oh. Oh, I see. Alright, who do you think's gonna fight who, chat? I think Giraffe and Danny. Actually, Giraffe and Puggles. I feel like it's people that are close to each other. Is nobody gonna fight anyone? What a boring ass fucking lunch. Fight people, you pussies.